I'm the father of the bride. She's young and foolish, and I'm terribly fond of her. She has taken in with a man from just over the road. He doesn't do much for me, but she says she loves him, and maybe she does. But love is scarce, and I can't understand how she could find it so near hand. Her name is Mary Kate. We have 9 altogether. Michael, Jim, Kevin, John, Bridie, Margaret, Rose, Philomena, and Mary Kate. She's not quite the youngest, but she's always the last to get mentioned on account of the double-barrel name. We called her after her 2 grannies, for the 2 names go well together, but not the women in question. If her grandmothers have to be brought in under the one roof for this wedding, they will knock lumps off each other. My mother, Mary, may or may not go. She's confined to bed. She's only confined to bed when it suits her. And the other woman is fond of Dev, Eamon de Valera. Not everyone is fond of Dev. But it's 1922, and some people have opinions now. I don't know how well informed these opinions are. Not many can afford a newspaper, and fewer still can make out what they say. But everyone has taken a stance on this feud, this civil war, and that's what it is. And it will continue. Wedding or no? I hope in 100 years' time they'll have more wit nor this. I hope they'll have a better way of gathering their information. For when rumour gets spilled among an idle crowd, what you get on the other side is a fresh crop of Amadons, of believing everything and understanding nothing. And nothing reasonable ever happens when politics is handed over to the common man. This wedding is in 2 weeks, and if truth be told, we could do without a major social gathering at this time. Fear and spite do not mix, whether in the presence of love or not. In 2 weeks, friends, neighbours, brothers, cousins, and 2 of the most stubborn grannies will turn rumours to truths, and then into blood. I'm sure to be Sunderland ones from dawn till dusk, young and old, standing up for what they believe in, and most of them not fit to stand. I shouldn't buy drink for a spree like that, for drink is a fuse. But if there's no drink, they'll turn on me. So I'll give everyone there a bottle to hold on to. It's either that or a gun. Most would prefer a bottle so that they can sing and cry and bravely fight the good fight in 14 verses. There'll have to be drink got from somewhere. It'll have to be got on tick. I'm sure to be paying for it long after it's piddled down the street. This man that's marrying me daughter is a Collins man. Says Collins was right to take the 26 counties and the rest will follow. Dev is different. De Valera doesn't like to see the English with the top of an egg that doesn't belong to them. Or some say that the 6 counties is like one of them boomerangs. If we throw them away, they'll come back themselves. I don't know much about boomerangs. All I know is not much ever comes back from the English. I'm the father of the bride, and I'm afeard of what's to come. Love and freedom are in short supply, but maybe like Mary Kate, We'll find one or both soon and near hand. That, or we'll have to make do with what we have.